What slows down lymphoma research patient access? Imagine a world where every person with lymphoma can quickly access the latest treatments and clinical trials. Sadly, several factors slow down this process, making it harder for patients to benefit from research advancements. One major issue is low enrollment in clinical trials. Only about 6 out of every 100 cancer patients participate, which slows down the pace of research and delays new treatment options. Certain groups like older adults, people of color, those living in rural areas, and younger patients tend to participate even less, which creates disparities in access. Geography also plays a big role. Many clinical trial sites are concentrated in urban or academic centers, leaving rural and underserved communities without nearby options. For example, more than half of some areas do not have a research-active center nearby, meaning patients have to travel long distances, which can be difficult and expensive. This travel burden discourages many from participating, especially older adults and women. Another challenge is identifying and referring eligible patients for advanced therapies like CAR T-cell treatment. Community doctors sometimes find it hard to recognize which patients qualify or how to coordinate the referral process. Only about half of healthcare providers regularly refer eligible patients for these innovative therapies, which limits access. Financial and insurance barriers also slow things down. Securing approval for new treatments or trial participation can be complicated and costly. Patients might face high out-of-pocket expenses for treatment, travel, and other related costs, making it harder for some to participate. Communication gaps are another obstacle. Patients often feel overwhelmed with information and may not fully understand their options for clinical trials. Healthcare providers may not always have enough time during appointments to discuss trial opportunities, and better communication between community doctors and specialized centers could help more patients access research. Healthcare system limitations also matter. Community clinics may lack the resources or infrastructure to support trial enrollment, whereas academic centers usually have more trials available and better support systems. This creates a gap in access for many patients. Finally, socioeconomic and demographic disparities influence who can participate in lymphoma research. Income, race, language barriers, and geographic location all play a part. Efforts are underway to address these inequities, but progress takes time. In summary, several interconnected factors slow down patient access to lymphoma research. These include low participation rates, geographic and financial barriers, difficulties in identifying eligible patients, communication issues, and systemic healthcare limitations. Overcoming these challenges requires collaboration among healthcare providers, policymakers, and patient advocates to create more equitable and accessible research opportunities for everyone. Always remember to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and to stay informed about ongoing research efforts.